Hey, Jerry, to watch this? Read it. Okay, it's a song about my cat. I'll be back. Okay, back. I'm back. I need to stop. I miss my cat, my little stinky cat. Look at all that little box he needed for his gone box. This is so good. I don't think I can walk on it. Trailer park, oh Lord. Comment and down below if you want that video. And for him to try if you saw him. Have a chance of seeing him if you want him. Trailer park, close to Ringgold. I think he didn't tell me about how far close it is. Come on, go. Comment below if you know an area it might be. And if you have them, yes, if you have them, please transport them here. This is the Woods drive. Transport, I'm here. Transport, I'm here. If you saw him, I hear a mouse, I think. I wouldn't have to try to look for a mouse, because I had shadow, now he's gone. Did you hear that? Okay. Time out. I gotta try him first. That's a bush. Okay, this definitely is a thing. So in the shadow. Oh. Comment below if you watch the other video and you saw it. He's a black kitten. Purple, free color. He's a male too. He might grow up and the collar might came off. Please bring it to the police. If we did.